Alright guys, check this out right here. Looking for a universal wheel lock, and we find vehicles with special wheel lock key, and we found this online and we bought it, and it actually helped us, saving us some time trying to remove this aftermarket wheel lock key because the customer lost their wheel lock key. This is one of the best solution if you're trying to find the right tools for your vehicles, especially there's a lot of car out there, different type of wheel lock key, and this type of master kit wheel lock set, it has everything. See, you got all different type of style of wheel lock, that can remove most of the vehicle's wheel lock, the default wheel lock key. Yep, pretty much pretty cool, man. Someone will exactly tell you exactly what kind of spline he has in there and how many groove, all that good stuff. So this one right here, let's find it. Yep. That's the one right there, guys. It's pretty easy. Yeah. Pop right out. Just like that, guys. Easy tools. Pretty easy, and look at this, guys. I don't know, I think for you just gotta pull it out. It's pretty long, so it's just pretty long lug nuts. Yep, guys, that's pretty much what it is.